Sea level rise is probably the most significant consequence of global warming and climate change. 10,000 years ago, our coastline was radically different to what it is now, and the United Kingdom, for example, was joined to mainland Europe. Then the ice melted, and the oceans rose by over 70 metres, flooding vast areas of land. What's clear now is that the world is entering a new phase of sea level rise, and that this rate of increase is accelerating. Over 50% of observed rise in sea level is directly a result of the thermal expansion of our oceans in a warming world. But also, and worryingly, is that the observed measurements are happening faster than computer models predicted. If Greenland was to lose all of its ice cover, we would experience a 7-metre rise in sea level. Current models are predicting that by the end of this century, ocean levels could rise between 1 and 1.5 metres. In 2002, Dublin experienced a once-in-100-year flooding event. If we add half a metre rise of sea level, this event will happen every 10 years, making the 100-year flood the 10-year flood. Engineers must now figure out ways to adapt our cities and urban centres for the eventuality of sea level rise. As we add 7 metres of hypothetical sea level rise to Dublin City, we can see the consequences all the more alarmingly. Between 3 and 5 metres of rise, we see large areas of our industrial docklands and coastal areas being reclaimed by the oceans. Humanity is entering a new phase, similar to that of our ancestors over 10,000 years ago, where sea level rise could become a continuous companion for our development.